note that'll bring a peace divine, a legend told to young and old, a gift through time. The angels use this note to please the Holy One. Waves of sound, perfect harmony is spun. One by one, all will come in selfless unity. A secret chord awake once more. Yes, finally, a great new melody is just about to soar, and you'll be more than you were ever before.
Just as one note alone on its own won't make music sound right, and when colors converge, they all merge into radiant light. In the eighth note, we're both in the song, our voices ringing loud and strong. In harmony, and when we all sing together, the music sets us free. Just as one note alone on its own won't make music sound right, song, our voices ringing loud and strong. Brother, you and me, souls in harmony, and when we all sing together, the music sets us free. Just as one note alone on its own, on the world, on the make music sound right. Sets us free.
I know it's coming soon, a better, brighter day, when in our hearts we all will hear the eighth note play. That great new melody has just begun to soar. Now we are more than we ever